I don't know. Rad and I had heartburn for like 2 days after we had lunch. Let's see what we got here. Again, those of you guys that showing up on trial, we're kind of BSing because we've had a couple good trades this morning. Actually, 7 really good trades so far this morning before the open. So we're just being patient for higher probability setups and BSing around, trying to figure out where we're going to have the next boot camp. And
a couple of you are already done for the day, which is really, really good. I mean, we love that. You're not going to give it back. Here's the deal, guys. And you know, our biggest, I guess, accolade and helpful praise by clients who are trading our methodology and making money. And they post it and they say, yeah, I made it. I'm done for the day. It's also our biggest impediment. Why? Somebody comes in on day one and they go, why do I have to wait for 3 months to learn this stuff? I'll just do what that guy's doing.
Well, why do I have to wait 3 weeks?
Yeah. You know, I don't need to do any 30-day challenge. What's this? This is not a contest. I want to get in there and make money. And they go right to cash. They want to bet the ranch. And sadly, the results are not the same because the people who are making the money went through that. So, you know, it's tough for us. On one hand, we're certainly not going to tell people, hey, don't post your winning results. Please don't do that because it's going to discourage all the newbies.
We encourage winners to post their winning results.
Yeah, we want that to be basically a guidepost.
It's not bragging in this room to make money every day.
Yeah.
It is.
It's not to embarrass anybody.
Right. We want to show you guys it's possible. It should be possible to make money every day trading. Yes, you're going to have losing trades. And yes, you'll probably have losing trades every day.
Yeah.
But you should be able to walk away every day with money in your pocket, which is why we have the 30-day challenge for the boot campers. And Tim, since he's such a smarty.
And if everybody can understand, it's a 12 trade process. It's not one trade's got to make your day. If after it's I'm going to take the next 12 trades, and at the end of those 12 trades, I should be green. Not one trade. Oh, I lost. That's it. I'm giving up. I'm going to wait. You know, no, just take 12 trades. Do the right thing. Do your methodology. Find something. You have to take 12. Yeah, it's like a pill. Because most people do not accept the risk of the market. Read the book called Trading in the Zone. That's what it's about. It's like, no, I only want to take the trades that I know are going to work so I don't have to put a stop in. And that's the mentality that causes people to lose. We want to reverse that. We have about 17 minutes until the open.
Hey, Killer Bee's done for the day. We'll give you a gong. Let's see here. We don't have to be at a trade. Yeah, there's no reason we should be at a trade all the time. We actually should be out of trades way more than we are in trades.
Yeah. Good job, Killer Bee. Coach banging on the cymbal. Good gong. Relieve stress.
Who is that? Is that Michael Keaton?
Couldn't figure out who that is. No, his face is too chubby to be Michael Keaton. I thought it was that guy from Law and Order, Vincent D'Onofrio, for a second. Nah, I think it's just a normal angry person. I think it's Tim.
Really?
I think it's Tim doing it. It's a selfie. Look at him.
Tim made a bunch of new memes.
Tim's banging on the gong. All right. Okay. 875.
Like it. Just for giggles, guys. What did you guys come up with the volatility number? Don't cheat. Oh, okay. I know why yours is high, Mike. Huh. Pretty good, Tim. Good job, guys. Yeah, that's what I figured.
$14 minutes until the open.
All right.
And just a reminder for those who are literally signing up for the first day or two, we discourage the first 6 minutes of trading. We want you to wait and see where the market, identifies the battle zones. So literally 6 minutes after 9:30, just wait, set your watch, and by then you could usually tell, is the uptrend going to continue? Do sellers dominate now and going to push it down? Who's on what side? Be surprised how that helps you. We've come into that support zone that we identified a long time ago, 833, 875. And yet, no, there are no ticks yet to abide by. In other words, the tick indicator starts at 9:30. $10 minutes to open.
What was your question, Koho? Say anyone has to trade. Is it considered an inside day? Looks like the shape up to be one.
Yeah, it's within the high and low of yesterday's high was 981. And right now we're at 878.
That can change real fast, though.
Yeah.
How? You break the high. Right?
Yeah, absolutely. Have your plans out.
You replace yesterday's numbers with today's numbers, but remember yesterday's numbers just in case the key area gets hit again. All right, Kev Dog, patience. We got a hole to dig you out of this week, Kev Dog. We'll do it.
We are at support.
Was that the question, Ko? I don't want to look back up. I was trying to find. I would keep all the numbers until you have a good hang on how to do support and resistance yourself. And volatility number. I was looking for some of these answers that you guys had on locations. Try to do our best. All right, here's the deal, guys. The poll on the website will have probably 4 options. And please check the box and confirm that you're committed to attend if you would like to attend. Also, guys, for boot camps, there is a pre-requirement. Understand that if you want to do a boot camp, you must talk to a coach first. Where we want to make sure that you are prepared for the boot camp and that you're in the right place. Meaning that if you're 2 weeks with us and you're saying you want to go to a boot camp, we may say hold off and wait for the next one. That way you're prepared for the more advanced stuff that we go through during the boot camp. So we'll have some options on the website that you guys can pick from probably later today or tomorrow. No, it's in person. Monica, we do need be. Again, we don't really try to push anything on anybody, Monica, but if you talk to a coach, we'll help you get started, get you going through things. And if you feel like you need coaching, talk to us about it. We'll help you. If not, you're good to go. Vegas might be a good option, Tim. I don't know. I mean, we got a lot of people in that Midwest area that could probably make it to Vegas pretty easy.
To answer that question, yes, I bought one at 875, one at 860, and 2 contracts at 33,855. Yes, sir. I mean, that was in my plan. I wanted to buy it around the 875 level. I don't know if anybody else did, but that was my plan. We put that line up there a long time ago. So I would scale out before the open for some of you other traders. Come on, cat. Oh, you fat cat. Get over here. Get over there. Secasa is also showing an oversold condition with a little bit of buying interest. Now, what do we know about institutions? They tend to help their clients get more favorable entries, right? So if the trend is what? The trend is up. They're going to try to get them to buy as helpful as possible. Now, I think a lot bought before the report around 8:15. Get down there. You stay down there. That's it. And obviously, guys, when the market shoots up, they take profits. So we're in profit-taking stage right now, right? Everybody has their plan down, right? Correct? Hopefully. Yes? No?
Yeah, guys. If you've been to a boot camp or if you've done any one-on-one coaching, you should have a written plan already that says what you plan to do if X happens in the market. X is not something you should write on your piece of paper. That a variable.
Here's my plan, X. That's if X happened, but X never happened, Coach. What do I do? What do I do, X?
Oh my goodness. All right, guys. Here in a little bit, you guys should be able to log into the main site and start making your choices. Please, please only do it if you're serious about going to a boot camp. You guys know how much it costs. Obviously, if you're a repeat boot camp offender, you do get a discount. Those of you who are in mentorship get deeper discounts, blah, 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 all that good stuff. Fill out the poll. And if you guys will notice when you talk to someone about going, the cost of boot camp doesn't make this company a lot of money. We are doing it for you guys. And it really is kind of a bare bones cost to get things going and plan for you guys. So,
absolutely. Think about it, guys. For our one-on-one service, Coach and I can sit at our home and have somebody sit next to us and pay us $10,000. So think about it. Costs a lot to get on an American Airlines plane and get your flight bumped and, you know, reschedule 30 hours without sleep for less than that, you know. So
ballrooms,
yeah.
Catering, the list adds up pretty quick.
And we don't do, you know, rent out Shea Stadium and pack people in there and just dance.
Only gonna be like max 20 people, guys.
Yeah.
So anyway, you guys fill out the form. It'll be online soon. Log in to the main website. Fill the form out. If you're serious about going, Tim, you can redeem your free boot camp anytime you'd like, since you were the very first member of the month. It would be nice to see you at one.
Remember yesterday's trend line we drew? Up trend line that broke and made us a lot of money on the downside? You do the same on the upside.
Yeah, guys, it's not cheap getting these rooms for you guys. So
1 minute to the open.
All right, let's get ready to rock and roll.
We can't wait.
I just cannot wait. Cannot. Telemarketers calling me. Again, guys, please keep in mind, no trading first 6 minutes, especially if you're newer with us. Pay attention, sit back, watch, ask questions. No trading for 6 minutes. That looks like it's going to include myself this morning. I don't think I don't like really this is getting started for me to even touch my toe in the water on this one.
We've been doing them for 2,500.
Yeah, it's for the whole week. It's really super intense.
We are open for business.
Here we go. I am still sitting on the sidelines. Anybody take the immediate long signal out of the gate? Those of you with permission to trade, anybody do that? Nope. Yes. Oh, Tim got it. There you go. It's a pretty easy one out of the gate there for you, Tim. And Tim can be confidently do trades like that if he's a sniper the way he is on them, because his ATM takes him to automatically break even. So
Yeah.
he can be in a no-lose situation really fast. But again, Tim's really good at his entries, guys. Super good at the entries. Not suggested unless you are very, very good at your entries. I think, Drew, they're usually anywhere from like 120 to 150 a night. The rooms are for the guest. Momentum has officially turned down. Look where tick started.
He'll turn up.
I'm trying to give a hint, guys. Look where tick started.
Yep. No trading for the first 6 minutes. Those who are trading long right now, put your sell stop at 896. 896 is your stop.
Nice job, Tim. Good trade.
Who's long? Right now, whoever's long, 899 is your stop. Good job, Alex. Keep your stop. Boom, flat.
All right, AA. Nice job, Robert.
Okay, let's see.
I'm trailing one. I said I wouldn't trade for 6 minutes, but that was
Yeah,
too easy.
I'm flat. I am up. Let's see. You guys following me, right? Remember that a little account that I started with $300? It was.
Did you start it a month and a half ago?
2 months ago, right before right before my surgery, like September 8th.
We'll take a wild guess. It is
You saw
2200.
it. You're not. You guys saw it in the boot camp. Yeah, today it's right now. I made $19 in the small one, $19.50 on 650. It was 650. So I made $19.50. One micro mini. So 1950 divided by 650. 3%. You guys can do this every day. We did it every day in the boot camp.
Goal. Minimum 1% return per day, guys.
Yeah.
You can do it.
And I ran Sakasa. When Coach did it, I said, all right, let me try it. I put it on one contract, and for a month, it made, now we are adjusting that, but it made, it on 16 out of 20 trading days. Yeah, it looks like a double top, but did you take the trend line break, Rod? Right there. Remember, we drew the trend line right here. How many people took this trend line break? Just like yesterday. Remember when Coach was short? I missed that, but then I took the trend line break short.
Yep.
So those little old-fashioned trend lines, they can help you make money. All right, the rest of you wait another 2 minutes.
2 minutes.
You can do it, guys. You can do it.
Very seldom does a day come. All right, Mike, correct me if I say this wrong. Very seldom does a day come where within the 9:36 to 9:38 time slot, we don't find a good trade. So be patient.
Yeah, absolutely, Sauter. And you're on the trial. We just want you to observe
Thanks, Mike.
that, what we do is legitimate, and then take the course. And there's no reason you can't get the results of all our clients. That's all. We don't want you to look at Coach will take a trade. I take a trade. It's our clients. That's who I want you to learn from, not us. Because people do that all the time. Well, you guys have a lot of money and blah 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 blah. But how about our clients? Look at our clients who are successful. That's the key. All right, another 1 minute. Yeah, that's an old-fashioned trade, especially what we talked about. The institutions like to get their clients in on the pullbacks. They get the pullbacks, and when the pullback is done, the market goes back up. That's a basic trade. And yet, a lot of clients will lose money in the first 6 minutes. So we say, you know what? Stand aside. And that 875, right, was a great place to go long, right? Remember that 875 area? Right in here. 875. I bought a couple of contracts. I bought it on the pullback, and then we got added on the breakout. The only difference is I'm not going to put a tiny stop, and that's why I didn't want you guys to follow it, right? I bought, when I started, before I did anything. Now, again, this is not the micro mini. The micro mini, I bought one contract. That's it. This is the way I trade normally, right? On the sim. And then we had a Sakasa signal. We'll give you some great ideas, guys. Just listen to us. Here's the Sakasa signal, right? Doesn't miss a beat. Look at that. Beautiful big green bar there. It said everything's in sync. So now,
I like that.
Now you guys are ready. So now watch the pullback, watch the stochastics. When you see them hooking up, after the market pulls back, get ready to trade again. Can you do another little trend line after that? Sure you could. Let me get rid of this, clean it up. 999 cat is here. You can even put it's a tiny what do they call it? Bull flag. So you can watch that and watch this. Watch your ticks. Tick indicator goes to 0. Stochastics are low here. The trend line will just keep pushing down. Isn't that great? And you guys can wait until somebody else starts buying. As soon as you see them start buying and the market starts on the way up, you can go long. You don't have to try to pick the bottom. You don't have to get the exact low, as long as you get the market that's moving in your direction.
Nice little hook on stochastics. Wait for it.
Watch that green and red, and you'll see the market start to move in your direction.
Boom. There it is.
Low tick. Let's see if it breaks it on the trend line. You can actually get the hook here already. Trend line break would confirm it. Your first target would be about 966. And you'll be amazed.
Prepare to be amazed. There's a W.
Yeah, you got a little W forming.
A little W forming. All right, guys.
Trend line's breaking at 927.
Good morning, everyone. Paulina here with Liberty Trading Club. Hope you've been enjoying the live stream this morning. We're going to be cutting it pretty soon, but if you'd like to join us in the trade room live, just visit libertytradingclub.com and register for your free 3-day trial. During your time with us, you'll have access to our live trade calls as well as participation in chat. After your first free 3 days, it's just $99 a month to be a part of the trade room, and you'll unlock our core training videos to learn our trading methodology. Please like, subscribe, and share.
There's another target.
There we go. You guys get in this? All right, Tim. Tim's already in a no-lose situation.
Good job, Tim.
Tim was probably in. I'm gonna take a wild guess at Tim's price. He probably got filled at let's say 916. It's my wild guess. He's probably flat now. 920. Oh, okay. Not bad. It's close. That was close. Good trade there, Tim. Good trade. That is being a sniper on your entries, guys. If you can't manage your trade fast enough to take profits in a trade like that, guys, sit on the sidelines so it slows down a little bit. Make sense, Coach?
Yeah, absolutely. Later on, when we slow it down, I'm going to talk about using the ATM not so much as a target mechanism, but to guarantee your stop. In other words, everybody here supposedly is using a stop. Why not put that into your ATM? So the stop is automatic, right? Because you're going to have a stop anyway. If you say, I want to have a 35-point stop, well, throw that in your ATM without a target. That just means you're going to be stopped out whether you put one physically in yourself or the ATM. But this way you assure yourself that you get out. Then you can manage your gains or trailers or anything else, knowing that your stop's taken care of. Then later on, you can go back and move your stop. Okay, let's sit on the sideline again. Here we got low stochastics. You could even redraw this trend line. And do it again, right? Let's see.
Danger zone.
Yeah, I know that telemarket. I got it.
I still think it's funny. I kept getting questions if that was a trade alert. Be patient, guys. Be patient. Just be patient. Let them drive it down.
R1 was support before, guys. This R1 area of 844. Take your time. Do you think maybe we'll get a volatility pullback from the high? You never know, right? High was what? 999. So what would be a pullback? 33,999 minus 178. Anybody figure that out yet? 33,821.
I think Tim already did it.
Yeah. So we have a break up here. In other words, if you can't get 821, you'll go with your trend line break. So you do it this way, right? Control. Amazing how these things work, right? 821. Got plenty of time to do this too. You can say, come on down to 821. If it doesn't come down to 821, okay, I'll buy you when you do go up. So we're expecting the pullback. Institutions and bigger traders are going to wait for that kind of volatility pullback. They're not that anxious. They get it pulled back to where their support is. Let's see where they come in. Maybe they do come in higher here at 855. We don't know. But we know our number is 821. It's either going to pull back toward there, maybe a little higher, maybe a little lower. Wait. Yeah, we got our numbers yesterday. It was perfect. That's why we say people who say, I'm a little too impatient, I get in too soon and get stopped out. Well, then wait. Spend the time calculating or projecting your plan. That's all.
We waited. We waited yesterday for almost an hour for a good trade setup.
Yeah.
And it's just because there wasn't a good trade setup. No point in trading. We took a scalp. We took a little scalp inside of that hour just to test the waters. It was profitable.
Yeah.
But in all reality, we were really waiting for a good trade setup for a higher probability pullback, and we got it. Took advantage, and what was it, like 140 ticks for most people?
Yeah. It nailed that 140, and then just started back up.
146. Yeah. So, guys, that's what being patient will do for you.
Everybody's green so far, right? Everybody's green, nice and green.
We got like 3 people that are done for the day already, Coach.
Yeah. All right. Stay green. Wait.
Good job, guys. Yeah, no point jumping in a trade if you're green. Remember, guys, 30-day challenge.
Yep.
Stay green in cash for 30 days, whether it's micros, $5, $50, $500, $5,000. I don't care what it is. Your mindset, your trading account, everything will thank you. Your wife will thank you. Your husband will thank you. Kids will thank you.
Dogs, cats.
They will all thank you for being a conservative, profitable trader.
I do have a bid in right now for my little scale at 840.
Your mom will thank you.
I haven't been hit yet.
Sorry, Coach.
That's all right.
I'm just being silly at this point.
Yeah, we can. You can be silly, guys, when you're making money. That's what's fun about this business.
Seriously, guys.
821 buying zone. We'll see what happens.
You guys got that? You guys got that? Everybody's got that, right? I'm serious about this, guys. See what it'll do for you. If you have the discipline to stop trading every day for 30 days when you're green, see what that will do for your mindset. It will change. Ask Tim. Ask the guys that have done it already, the ones that have been green for 30 days in a row straight. It changes your mindset dramatically when you know that you're going to walk into your trading day and high probability you will make money. That is a big deal, guys.
We got our pullback of 178 points. Now let's see if the big boys start buying at that level.
I want to be a big boy.
I'm with the cookies I'm eating. I'm a big boy already. Yeah. Here we go. First target, 842.
Hey.
How about that? Amazing. Amazing. 848 will be your next target. And you could even be done for that trade, right? Who got 821?
Nice job, Diedrich. Way to be patient. Good job, guys.
848, next target. Good job, Rad. Sell it at 848, and Rad, you're done.
Co-host done for the day? Rad's done for the day if you got it. Nice.
876 is your next target. 876.
And here's to wake everybody else up in the room. Good job, Rad. Good job, guys.
I only have one left.
Co. That's for Co as well. Good job, guys.
Perfect.
Green. I love it.
Everybody raise your stops. Now, let's say you went long at 821 and your stop was like 25 points. Obviously, you can move that stop up, right? Immediately.
Yourself in a no-lose situation.
Yeah. You don't need to keep it at 799. That's obviously where I stop, but you don't need to keep it there.
Nice job, Tim. Look at that.
Yes, you can see that by right here. You see it right here? I'll show it to you. Right there where I put that limit, you have a bid in at 821 and you'll be filled. There's no video on it because every day the volatility number changes. You could, when you set up a call with us, I'll explain it myself, Coach Brian.
Yeah, so basically you look at the volatility number and the entry we took was what we call the 16 tick rule entry.
Yep.
Plain and simple. So watch those two videos and combine the two, and bada bing, bada boom, that was the entry we did.
If you are long, your next entry, Monica, is 876. You would be taking profits at 876. I'll draw that on the line for you.
Yeah, Monica, you watch the daily swing video, watch the 16 tick rule video, combine the two, and that's how we got that trade.
And you just have to count your profits. That's all.
Yeah, not complicated and simple and effective.
No one else does this, by the way. Well, they do, but they don't teach people. What they call manage money and charge them They charge $50,000 a month to manage your account this way. If you have over $10 million, they'll manage your account and do these things, or charge you $50,000 a month to manage your own account. You get to do it a lot cheaper. I get to do it cheaper because I used to work for those guys.
Hey, those guys.
And I don't like being in New York or London. I mean, I had a taste of it last week. It's called Los Angeles. I mean, that airport was brutal. I mean, I'm sitting there in a freaking wheelchair. And as Coach Brian, it took him like 40 minutes just to get around the airport.
Oh, yeah.
Unbelievable.
But believable.
Next time, definitely John Wayne. You know, it's if I have to wheel myself up.
Next time will be Vegas. All the all the California people have to go.
Chanel will be the reception coach in Las Vegas. She lives there.
It's cheap.
Probably the only trading coach that I know of in Vegas that's legit. Everyone else, they operate like they're literally gamblers. They're gamblerholics trying to disguise themselves as traders. No fill at 876 so far. No fill. We're going to try for it, though. Come on, Mr.
Same here, patiently waiting.
Please, Mr. Market.
We can do it. Guys, chant for us. Everybody that's in the trade.
Yeah.
Everybody that's not in this trade, chant for us. We can do it. We need a chant.
It's doing a little snout here for
We
us.
made a little,
See
yeah.
this, you know. Sadly, it's snouting.
I don't like the consolidation here.
Nah. Trading Cat's sleeping. Come on, Trading Cat, wake up. I'm going to gong you. Low ticks. Look at those low ticks. Minus 300.
Those of you who are wanting to practice your tick tick boom trades, now's not a horrible time to do it. Now is not a horrible time to practice your
Yep,
tick
there you
tick
go.
boom trades.
Coach called it right on the snout. When Coach Brian called it, it was 8:29. How many people took that trade? I did. 8:29. It's 8:56.
That was an easy one.
Yep. Great call, Coach. And now we're going to get our 876.
There it is. Boom.
Come on.
Do it.
Bush, 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 bush.
Thanks for chanting for us, Tim.
Move your stop up, guys. Lock your trade in. You're either going to get 876 or a profitable power exit point. Anything above 29 is your stop, and you'll lock in a profitable trade, even if it's 836. Lock in 7 points or 876 target. Make that your deal. You're either going to get stopped out with +7 or 876. 2 orders in. And you don't care which one gets filled.
Do not care.
You either make a little money or a lot of money. Ding! Trail it. One
Yeah,
left.
do it, Coach. Order filled.
Yep, order filled.
Guys, if this isn't proof in the pudding that the volatility number works for you, then I don't know what to tell you. Don't know what to tell you. 2 easy trades in this period right here where people will get stopped out over and over and managing it profitably. You guys still in? Who's still in this? Anybody else still in it?
It's ready to break that trend line too.
You
I'm going
guys
to
still-
refresh the chart for just a second. Be right back with you.
Hey, good job. Lock in your profits, guys. It's a good trade here. Nice little double bottom. It does look like the big boys came in to push it up some. So hold on. Trail it. Move your stops up. I'm at 870. I got 2 left. Let's see. 878 now. Sorry. I'm looking at this right. Yeah. One of my contracts, 878. The other one's a couple ticks in the profit. Good job, guys. This is it. All right. For one of my contracts, I'm using 891 just to try to take profits there. Who's in this? Who's in? Tim's in. Robert's in. AA's in. Sean's in. I got one left now. Bill's in. Good job, guys. Wow. Good work, everyone. All right. I'm using the Hood Bollinger now. Just a little bit further back since I'm still pretty profitable on this. Probably going to get me here. It's okay. Got one left. You guys got one left or multiple contracts? Take some profit. Good trade, guys. Love it. One left. All right. So leave it back a little bit. See if this thing rallies up a little bit further. We should have taken profits already, guys, on like multiple contracts. If you have, leave yourself some wiggle room and let it play out. Probably going to get us here. Like I said, I'm sitting on the 89 right now, waiting for hopefully price to jump up. Good job, Tim. Good job. Oh, get. Hey, chant. We need some chanting. Come on, let's go. Chanting. Oh well. So resistance level gets broken, guys. Move your stops up. Come on, puppy. All right, move your stops up now. Let's go. Big winner. Big money, no whammies. Let's go 2 more ticks. 2 more ticks. You guys still in this with me? Coach is, Sean is, Bill is. Young Fab, Sean. Oh, said Sean already. Chanel, Robertson, AA's in. You guys are still in? Good. Keep trailing. Couple more ticks, guys.
One left, guys. One left. Great call. Coach.
And that is why you wait for the retracements.
Yep.
To move your stops. Pay yourself to stay in the trade.
Sean, take all off but one. Just leave one contract left and trail your stop. Take all off. Just leave one. No risk now. And let it go where it wants to go. 929 was my other target. I have one left.
Couple more ticks.
Can't lose. We're up over 100 points.
Coach, where's your power exit point?
But actually, I had it at 850. I was locking in like 20 points. Now it's 886. I got it on that white line, and I'm just rallying. Now I'm going to bring it to the blue line at 905.
That's exactly what I was about to say. I'm
Yeah.
going to use the 200. Couple more ticks.
Yeah, let it
Hey,
go.
this is
Songs later.
going to have to cue up the band already.
Yeah, we're going to all have to sing.
Everybody's in 100 ticks right now by now, right?
Krug, are you in one of these? We hope you are, because I know
Please,
you were red before, but with these beautiful trades, this should have gotten you green.
This was a volatility number, W, everything set up. Great tick fade trade.
Yeah, Coach started. Remember the tick boom on the low ticks? We were down minus 300 on the ticks, and we did the tick boom. We did the pullback, volatility. I mean, everything worked.
It was all everything. That's why I said it, Coach.
Yeah,
Everything was lined up.
You waited for 6 minutes. All you had to do is wait for 6 minutes.
6 whole minutes. It's an eternity.
Yeah.
Couple more ticks in profit, guys. Make sure you got that 100 points locked in.
910 stop.
We're gonna get it.
Raise it a few ticks. 910 stop. One left.
Nice job, Mahoney.
Beautiful job.
Nice. Good job, guys. You go.
All you need is just one trade.
Definitely.
One
This,
trade
is,
like
this
that.
is all you
All you
need,
need.
right?
Yeah.
It's all you need in a day. Hang on, Tim. You're getting all antsy. We got a couple people done for the day after this trade.
Yeah.
Love it.
If we break 935, I'll raise the stop to the bottom of this little tiny swing developing right here, like 920, or get stopped out at 910. I'm not going to, it looks like 910 is going to get filled.
Looks like we're going to be flat here soon. Great job, guys.
Yeah.
Somebody needs to give me a pat on the back. I'm just kidding. We do always say every day, prepare to be amazed. Good job, Mahoney. Good job, Tim. Good job.
That's it. Ding. Done.
Yeah, we got 2 more people done for the day. Love it. Give a little gong here for you guys. And patience, volatility number, and learning your setups gave you a 100-point runner. So I think we could probably walk away here, Coach.
Yeah.
Trade with a little victory song.
Yep. Victory song. Do you have one queued up, or I can get one?
It is queued up. Sir.
All right. Let's hear it.
By the way, this is the last day of this. We are announcing a new member of the month.
And then coffee for me. I need coffee.
Same here. Coffee for me.
Good morning, everyone. Hopefully you enjoyed our theme music, our victory music for our trade that we just were successfully in. If you're interested in joining us live in the trade room, please visit libertytradingclub.com and register for your free 3-day trial. During your time with us, you'll have access to the trade room for live trade calls, as well as participation in chat to have questions answered by a coach. After the first free 3 days, it's just $99 a month to be a part of the trade room. And you'll also unlock our core training videos where you can learn our trading methodology. Please like, subscribe, and share.